To install an add-on into Blender, you firstly need to download an add-on. So you can go into a website like Gumroad and get a free add-on. You then want to go to Blender. Up this top left corner, Edit, Preferences. I will install Gunjet. I'm going to click Install. This will pop up. The easiest way, go to your File Explorer and drag and cross the add-on that you want into this install add-on. Then once it has imported itself in, you want to click the checkbox, then go down to the bottom left hand corner, click these, and then save preferences. And you should then have all your add-ons in this little corner here.